Hello guys, it's me Chinnayam TDS. Today I'm about to torture myself in Tower Defense Simulator with probably the worst loadout you have ever seen. No meta towers, no farms, nothing good. I got Freezer, Rocketeer, Shotgunner, Soldier and Scout as you can see here. So if you thought I made a bad decisions before, just wait. I'm not okay. These are the rules. I'm not allowed to skip waves. I can't use any economy towers, and every single one of these towers has to be placed at least once. I honestly have no idea if I'll even make it past wave 10. Will I survive or will I rage quit? Drop your predictions in the comments. Hit that like button for my pain. And let's get into this disaster. Wrong mode. Polluted wastelands and solo. Let's do this awful torture, guys. Please subscribe and watch till the end to see how I'm getting tortured with this. Okay, I'm scared for this challenge, bro. I don't know what to do first. Wait, let it become light. Like, yeah, okay, now we're good. Okay, I think I have an idea. I'm gonna place a freezer first. I'm gonna not upgrade it. Wait, I'm gonna upgrade it. Okay. And I'm gonna place a G Scout. Like I'm using a G Scout because if I use normal Scout, it would be obvious GG's for me. Okay, the freeze is not nice right now. Okay, I can already see that I'm suffering, bro. Okay. Wait, I'm not allowed to skip, so let me just do that. Oh wait, somehow we're doing this, bro. First attempt, somehow, so far so good. I spoke too soon. Wait, let them go through the first lane. Yeah, I spoke too soon, I think. Wait. To skip, man. This that's the amount of range I have, bro. Okay, so I hope this kills. Bro, I'm actually scared for this challenge. No. It's gonna end soon. Yeah. Nice. What should I play? I'm a G Soldier. Nice. Okay, this should finish them off. Yeah, boy. Okay. I'm a upgraded chill. Like, yeah, the freezer's gonna be useless in the most situations, but yeah, I'm a not skip wave. Okay, bro. I have to use golden scout and soldier because they do more damage, but this will not affect the gameplay. Like, this will not be any better, bro. Please don't scroll and watch some videos. Just hope that. Let's see how far we get, bro. Okay, Hazardous arrived. I have nothing prepared. Okay, let me get this to level 2, then start getting some DPS units, or else I'm cooked. Okay, like I am pretty chill right now, but I am going to start screaming soon. So yeah, if you're wearing headphones, you might be cooked, bro. Reduce the volume of your headphones, then you're good. Okay. But the first wave was kind of a clutch because I'm not allowed to skip waves. The wave ended luckily, and I could have placed my soul. Okay, now I'm gonna place my this is where I place my Rocketeers, bro. Next week that guy is gonna show up. I hope I am prepared. I have two freezers and level 1 except this guy. Okay, now he's level 2. I'm scared. These guys have no freeze. See, freezer is useless in this situation right now. Okay, better aiming. Every tower counts right now, bro. Like, I have to place every tower. That's like part of the challenge as I mentioned at the first. Okay, now what should I do? The super mutant's gonna show up. I guess. I don't know where to place this shotgunner. Okay, I'll place him here, I guess. Okay, nice. What else I have to place for the challenge to be valid? Scout, freezer, shotgunner, soldier, and rocketeer. Yeah. Okay, he's cooked. Even though he cannot be frozen, I do not know if he's being frozen. I think he's being frozen. It's like barely getting affected. I'm gonna get this guy to level 3. Oh wait, we're good. I don't know if I'm gonna even surpass wave 10, bro, because it's like one of the hardest modes and I'm playing with a trash loadout. Oh, level 3 scout. Now I do not have the money to upgrade. Okay, I'm gonna upgrade this guy. Bro, it's not letting me upgrade anything. Oh. Okay, these guys have that thing. I'm gonna upgrade my freezer that burst for some good damage. I'm not allowed to skip. I'm actually scared, bro, because amalgamation is gonna be a huge problem. Yeah, I'm gonna scream when we die to amalgamation, bro, I swear. Okay, I'm gonna get my shotgunner to level 3 for that 10 for that extra damage. Bro, look at them getting frozen, lol. Oh yeah, shotgunner might be good against breaker. Oh yeah, I forgot. I think I'm gonna suffer intensely, bro. So yeah, so that my pain will I'll not feel the pain, bro. The fact these guys. Okay, I have an idea. This full side is full of scouts. This full of rocketeers. If space is there, soldiers. And here also full soldiers. Wait, which one? Okay, this guy. Level 3 shotgunner. I'm gonna upgrade this guy to level 3. Okay, finish the first objective. Place all the 5 towers, bro. Now the other objective. just to upgrade all of them and carry on. Okay. I am not allowed to. Why would I even skip waves when this is like pretty hard? We got a good DPS unit. We got a good DPS unit. See, look at the burst. I mean, it's not gonna be effective in the future. It's only effective now. It's not gonna be good in the future. It's gonna be like 0 damage. Okay, wave 8, wave 8. If I surpass wave 10, it means I might have a chance of at least going to a good wave. That should be good. I'ma freeze them. Oh, look at that. They all got frozen. Bro, they're not moving. Okay, now they're moving. Oh wait, I can take the ability as an advantage. This for them. I'ma place one more rocket here. Okay, I'ma max my other electro. I meant freezer. Why am I saying electro, bro? Okay, wait. I have a strategy. See, if I freeze all of them, the shotgunner gets advantage. I'm scared. No, these guys will come. Wait, I have to upgrade this guy to max for that extra freeze. I can get the frost grenade. Yo, somehow what? The boss early. Like this is my first time. He died here only, bro. In solo, I actually kill him way earlier. Oh, okay, now I understand. Because of the freezers, they're so effective. Yeah, shotgunner plus freezer is a good combo here. Nah, they're getting frozen, bro. Okay, rip. I'm not gonna skip even if the wave ends. I'm gonna upgrade this guy also to level 3. Okay, I have to chain these two freezers ability so that it's gonna be OP. Okay, Toxicus. Wait, I'm gonna use my ability. Why didn't I? Oh yeah, I forgot. They have no freeze. I forgot. Wait, the Toxics do have. Oh yeah, I can use it on the Toxics but not on the Hazardous. See, they're not unable to move. Ability op. See, bro, they ended here. Their lifeline ended here. Bro, just give up. Wait, another one. They're frozen. Nah. I think I might have a chance. I got a little confidence because of the freezers. Okay. Ability. They froze everyone. Okay, I'm gonna max my shotgunner. Wait, ability. They're gonna freeze now. Oh my god, bro. Max. Nice piercing now. Yeah. Let's see how much. Yeah, it's doing 100 DPS right now. Good, not bad. Okay. No. Wait. Now what should I do? Let me think. Spamming Rocketeers would be the best idea against Amalgamation, I guess. Alright, let me see if I'm cooked right here, right now. Alright, Splitters. I can take advantage. See, they're not able to move. They're not even a problem anymore. Bro, look at that. You saw he was flying for a second. Yeah, I can take a nice advantage of this, bro. They don't have the no freeze thing. So I can take advantage. Okay, I'm gonna use my ability. Nah, I am speechless, bro. I'm left speechless. Nah. I'm gonna get 5 level 3 Rocketeers. Wait. Then I'll upgrade them while the Amalgamation is coming. I guess I'll survive like that. Oh yeah, wait. Okay, ability. It'll freeze them. Nice. Okay, other ability. Other guys. Yo. Nah. I'm taking advantage of this guy. Freezer. Wait, let me max my. Yep. Wait. Okay, I'm scared for Amalgamation, guys. I hope I survive. If you go subscribe, I think I might have a chance to kill the Amalgamation. So yeah, pause the video, subscribe, and see if I can win. Wait, ability, bro. Wait, these guys have no freeze. No, our freezers are useless against the Amalgamation, guys. Let's go. Yo, we got 6k cash. We're cooking. We did so much damage. Wait, let me use that. Even though it's not effective, I must still use for the, the fleshlings. We're having bro, he's gonna die. He died early this time. I'm gonna max my other rocket. Let's go. Okay, more splitters, not a problem. Oh, nah, these guys don't have, these guys cannot be frozen. Wait, I'm gonna use my ability now. No, I do not know how I'm doing this, guys. This is like my first attempt. I'm somehow doing it. I think I might regret in the future, not now, if I do not prepare. Yep, the future is like right now. I see the light shining for my eye. Now what should I do? I'm gonna use the freeze ability. There's so many. Okay, I have to max my Rocketeers right now. There's like a million of them. Oh, these hexes are not dying. Please. How did this guy lose that much health? Nah, guy, freeze him. Okay, he's still cooked. He's still cooked. Rip, you are not a pain. Okay, I'm gonna max all my Rocketeers first. Then, rush. Oh, they can be frozen. Let's go. These guys kill me every time I try to solo. Like, not this with this stat, other stats. These guys always used to kill me, but now I'm killing them. Okay, wait. Give me that freezing ability. Fast. Good. Wait, I'm scared here. Other ability. Give. Please. Police. I mean, they look like policemen, but I don't know. Bro. Okay, bro. Oh, no. I think. Yo. Okay, 2 Amalgamations. I have so much cash. I don't know what I'm doing with. I do not know what I'm doing. I must spam my G soul just like I promised. I'm gonna focus on spamming on this area. Oh, super slime. Whoa, we're at wave 19, I just realized. Nah, bro, they're giving me the money. I have a high hopes on this challenge, guys. Wait, let me use the freezing thing. I'm not seeing what's going on, but I am so rich right now, man. Okay, yo, okay. He's so fast. He's going so fast. The amalgamation is not dying. Bro, please. No, he's buffed. I think we might lose here. I do not want to. Never mind. G soldiers carry. Okay, I'ma finish the circle. Did we just get some? I like. Okay, and this is the last soldier. Wait, let me max him real quick. Bro is not able to move. I'm not even using the bomb thing, but yeah, this looks like a flower which has like the small petals. Okay, now I'm a spam. I hate this guy. Does he have no freeze? He doesn't have no freeze. I think I might take advantage. Wait, max. Let me. Bro, this is the way I do not want to die in this way. This is the way I'm gonna die. Wait a second. Why am I overreacting? It looks good. Oh, he's gonna reanimate here. Oh, no. Freeze him. He has another 10 gale.